Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the top request section of the Music Tools tab. So let's jump right in. Before we begin, I want to note that you must set up your artist library before utilizing the top request tool. If you need help setting up your artist library, please refer to the artist library overview video. The top request tool allows you to set up a list of highly requested songs and display them on the top request page in a numerical order. With this tool, you can either search for a song or manually add a song. Let's go over how to search for a song. First, select an artist you added through the Artist Library tool. Then, type in a word from the song's name or type in the entire song's name and click Search. This will load in a list of songs matching what you just searched. So select a song you wish to add to the top request page and click Add Song. As you can see, the song was added to the list. Now let's go over how to manually add a song. Again, select an artist that you added through the Artist Library tool, then type in the entire song's name and click Add Song. This song was also added to the list. Let's go over how to adjust the current song list. You can use the blue arrows icon to change the position of the song on the list by holding and dragging. You can also delete a song by using the red trash bin icon. I'm now going to take you into our demo site to show you how the artist library is displayed. So I'm going to go into the Music tab, and you may notice that this website named their top request page Top 5 at 9. You have the ability to change the name of your top request page. Thus, the name of the top request page may vary for each website. So as you can see, depending on how you position your songs, they will be ranked numerically on your website. To manage the settings of your top request page, you have to go to the Menu and Pages tab. So go to Menu and Pages, and Music. Scroll down to the Music subpages, and here you'll see the top request page. Here is where you can edit, change settings, or completely delete the top request page. When you click the yellow edit icon, you can add more page items, such as advertisements, images, etc. Use the gear icon to control things such as the item visibility and headline. When you click the blue title, it'll take you back to the top request page under the Tools tab. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to click on our page demo, visit our help center, or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos, and we'll see you next time.